Creating meals on a budget can be very difficult, but can be done if you go about it the right way and plan ahead. Here are 7 tips to help you get started. 1. Decide on how much money you are willing to spend on buying groceries. Then, create a grocery list using an old grocery store receipt to figure approximate prices for the items on your grocery list. 2. Clipping coupons and creating a grocery list from those coupons can save you quite a bit of money. 3. Another way to create meals on a budget is to make a grocery list and then stick to that list. Do not buy anything that isn't on your list. 4. Look for food that is on sale to create your meals. Sales and the use of coupons can save you a lot of money. To further save money, take along a pocket calculator when you go grocery shopping. 5. Do not buy more than what you will need for your meals. For example, if you are going to make a spaghetti meal and the directions call for 2 pounds of ground beef, only purchase 2 pounds of ground beef. 6. Purchase items that can be used for more than one meal. An example of this would be boxed rice or flour. You can use these items to make pancakes, waffles, and rice can go with many different dishes. 7. Buy store brands rather than name brands. Store brand items are usually anywhere from 10 to 20 cents cheaper than the name brand items, and yet they don't taste any different than the name brand items. Even though there is only a 10 to 20 cent difference in price, that is still 10 to 20 cents that can be spent on something else, which means you buy more for less money. Practicing these 7 tips will help you get started with meal planning on a budget.